Hello there, I am Chris Palmer. In this video, I'd like to answer for you, is guest posting safe? The short answer is yes. However, there's a few caveats. Those caveats are it cannot be your only backlink strategy. If, for instance, Googlebot comes to your website and you have 10,000 guest posts, right? All guest posts from high authority websites with exact match anchor text, this can be a problem for you, right? This would make it unsafe. The sites themselves that I'm offering to you are 100% safe. We manage these websites. We make sure that they're vetted. We make sure that they're safe. We make sure that they're on unique IPs. We make sure they have unique themes. We make sure that they are clean. This is a private network. The only way that our services are unsafe is if you use them incorrectly. So, is the guest post service safe? Yes, but you have to be smart with the way that you're utilizing it. Don't overdo the amount of anchor text that you're utilizing. Don't only build guest posts. Don't pummel your sites or pages with guest posts from high-powered websites from a private network, and that's the only backlink profile that you have. So, is it safe? Absolutely, but utilize with caution and be smart with your link building. Build a diverse link profile. So I'm Chris Palmer with chrispalmer.org, and I hope this answers for you. Is guest posting safe? It is, as long as you're being smart. So I'll see you in the next video, and I look forward to seeing you at chrispalmer.org in the store. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.